Mr. Mom's Racing. What we got in the bag of awesome? Oh! Larry Wood. BFG hooked us up with one heck of a pull race here. Oh, he's getting the good. He found the bone shaker. He keeps it extra low for a short guy. Okay, I'm not sure what I got. Ooh, I got a Mustang. General's next.
I'll take a desert.
Nice.
I'm going with this.
Okay, what we got here?
We'll see.
Ooh, okay.
We got the little road.
Get the pole, son. Get the pole.
Only 2 cars in there, just grab one. That's Frank. You got the last one.
Three with the vet, see now, huh? What am I talking about now, Frankie? Huh? Here's what I'm thinking. It's going to be you against you. I think we're all going to lose. Okay, guys, up first. Kane in the passing gas. Heck in the front, Joe. Oh, well, funny stuff, okay. They've got General in the heavy metal. But first, before we get them wrapped, we got to get them weighed. The General. 31. I mean, 31.
Oh, it's all right. He's on a diet.
Okay. Here's King Kane.
Oh.
29. Even more. Hey, guys. Get them weighed. Get them wrapped. Larry Wood pole race. Creech King Kane versus General. They're wrapped. Oh, look at that! General with the first win. Lane change, guys. Got a lane change. General versus Kane. A wrap. Oh, look at that! Whoa! Sit that! Whoa! Sit that! That down the middle, guys.
2 cars enter. 1 car wins. Oh.
Red-handed GoPro images. Okay, guys. We got sitting jet down the middle. A wrap. Oh, look at them! Got a hitch and it's giddy up, and General Beer, he makes it. Sorry, buddy. You're out.
That's fine. I didn't really like
General goes on to the next round.
I didn't really expect it.
You heard it from BFG himself. Next up, guys. Muwa. First, Frankie. A little tight. Gotta get him weighed first.
Oh, boy.
34.
Not bad. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay.
Okay. What we got here?
He's getting a Mustang. Holy cow. That moose needs to go on a diet.
I got more weight than Frankie does. Ah! Okay, this guy against this guy. Trying to catch Joe and trying to talk to the GoPro.
Got a small block Ford. Probably nitrous. The big block blown Dodge.
They're rip! Oh, look at that! I got whooped! Wow! Look at the cheese on that guy!
Hello, Mike.
There's no need for lane change, Mr. Monjo. Okay. Okay, guys. Up next, BFG. Who brought this whole pole for us tonight? Who has the golden bone shaker?
Alex called him
You heard it from BFG's mini-me himself.
I called him Water Rary.
Good looking shirt, by the way. Sponge.
Coming out the pipes.
Sure does.
You know he's on that nitro method.
It's gonna be fast. Yeah, okay. Got that fast. Okay.
You got a golden bone shaker.
Golden bone shaker. Red pill. You're gonna love it because it's got gold wheels.
36. 35. Yeah.
35. Oh boy. Okay, got him weighed. Look who we got dropping for us today. It's the drop. Joe.
That way we look like we're the same height.
Hey, that's about right. Let it rip. Woo! As suspected. Wow-wee.
Minutes.
6 minutes. Mr. Monjo, next round. Losers. I think Mr. Monjo said. Winners up to the next round. These two. Next.
We got Frankie in the general.
Frankie in general. On the 60-footer.
No.
There's Frankie. There's General. Teenager. I think he already knows what's going to come. So, Frankie, you ready?
See it.
Let it rip. Who is suspected? Oh, wowee. Woo. Okay, guys. No lane change necessary, says General. Just as expected. The golden bone shaker, like I thought. Versus Roger Dodger. Roger Dodger versus golden bone shaker. Mr. Monjo with the red line radar gun. Oh boy, okay. This is getting epic. We're really excited about it. This is going to be a good race. Commission my bid. Let it rip! Woo! Woo! Wow! Wow! Dude!
Kiss for the win.
Just, the white one, sorry.
Kiss for the win. Kiss for the win.
Oh, yeah, it's Frankie. Frankie's Roger Dodger. Got a lane change. Roger Dodger versus Golden Bone Shaker. Okay. Frankie versus Mr. Monjo. They're it! Oh, both lanes all the way! Both lanes!
I can't drive 55. Maybe it's 5.5.
Wow!
Weren't those the same lanes? No. Oh. Frankie, you
High five. Way to go. Winner. Chicken dinner.
Where do I put this? In the case of awesome.
In the case of awesome. Go stack right there, buddy.
I'll say you're not a loser when you're in the case
At the end of the year, we have a pole race from the Case of Awesome. Okay, guys, Mr. Ma's pole race over and Mr. Mom's Racing.